Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the assembly of this pipe wrench. We have all the components and now we'll have to assemble them. This is how it's going to look at the end. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. First we'll have to open a new SolidWorks document and select here assembly. And now let's make this plain white. Actually, let's first import all the components we need. You have to click here browse and where you save them, import them all, bracket and all of them. Open, and now I'll have to click once for each of them to import them. And now these are all the components we made. You should have 8 of them. So now let's make this plain white. And let's use from assembly, go to move component, rotate component, and let's rotate this one like this. And now in my case, this bracket was the first component to import, and we're gonna make this one float, and we're gonna make this handle fixed. Alright, and now let's add some simple mates, like these two faces should coincide for the beginning, and this one with this one also coincide. And let's do the same for these two. Alright, now we can delete them since we made this. We position this where it should be. So delete them, yes. And now let's move the bracket. To do that, we'll select this face from this hole with this one and select here make concentric. Okay, now this face with this one and this one with this one. Select all 4 of them, and we should mate them using width from advanced mates. Press OK. And now actually let's add this one back. These two faces should coincide, just so it's staying in the right place. Alright, now the next thing, let's assemble this adjusting wheel. To do this, select this face with this round edge, select here concentric. Alright, now select this face with this one, select here limit distance, and here actually not limit distance, only distance, and here should be 5 millimeters. Press OK. And now let's go to mate, go to this arrow, go to this part, and let's select front plane, and then we'll go to the adjusting wheel, also front plane. We'll select here make parallel, press OK. Alright, now let's take a look. As we can see, the thread from this part with the thread from the wheel are colliding, and we don't want this. So let's try to change these mates here until we will make it fit better. So let's try with this one. So we're gonna change the parallel one, and we'll go to here to mate alignment and select here to change it. Press OK. Okay, let's see. Now everything should look aligned, just like in my case. And now after we have done all of this, we will have to delete all these 3 mates because we only did this to align this nut with this other part, so we're gonna use another mate to put them together. First, let's go to evaluate before deleting them and select here interference detection. And here we'll select this wheel with this part and select here calculate. Here should be no interference. Alright, press OK. And now delete the last three mates. Yes to all. And now go to assembly, go to mate, go to mechanical mate and go to screw. Here we'll keep revolutions and here will be 6. And now we'll have to select this face with this edge. And here let's make it again 6. And press OK. One more time. And now let's see. This is rotating. Alright, now let's put this adjusting wheel inside this bracket. To do this, with Control pressed, we'll select this face with this one and this other two. And we'll use again width and press OK. Now this is better. And now we'll select this face. Actually, first, let's do something that it will help us. Select this face with this one and select here coincide. And now delete this mate. We just use that one to put this face like that. And now we'll select this face with this one and select here limit distance. And for the maximum distance, we're gonna use this dimension. And for the minimum, we're gonna use 1. Press OK. Now this is good. Now what we'll have to do next is to select this edge with this face and select here limit distance. The maximum distance will be 2 millimeters and the minimum, let's make it 0. Let's see if it's working. Alright, and now let's select this one and let's assemble it right here. First select this face with this one and then select here concentric. Select here to reverse the mate. And now this face with this one should coincide. Alright, now we'll select this edge with this face and select here limit the distance. Here will be 2 millimeters and the minimum will be 0. Press OK. This is better. And now let's put the next one. Select this face or edge with this one. Select here make concentric. And then this face with this one should coincide. And now this face with this one and this other two. And apply width mate. Press OK. Alright, now let's insert the pins. First will be this one. Select this face from the cylinder with this face, select here concentric And now let's drag it up a little bit, or we can leave it like this. Select this face with this one and select here coincide. And now we're gonna need 2 of these small pins. So with Ctrl pressed, left click and drag it. Now select this face from one of them with this face and select here concentric. Reverse here the mate. And now this face with this one should coincide. And now let's do the same thing for this other small hole. So we'll select the faces, concentric. And now let's drag it outside. This face with this one should coincide. Alright, now let's take a closer look. As you can see here these 2 parts are colliding. So if we want, we can change this. If it's like this, it's not really happening anything, but when it goes like this, it's colliding. If we want to change it, right click on this bracket, select here open part, and go to this face, select it, open a sketch, and here select corner rectangle. Let's make a rectangle just like this. Here the dimension will be 2 millimeters. Select this line with this edge, select here make collinear, and now go to features, use extruded cut, and here instead of blind select through all and press OK. This I think should be all the changing we'll have to do. And now we'll have to save it. Go back to our assembly, press here yes, and now I don't think that they should collide anymore. Now it's almost better. We can adjust this also from these mates we added here and here, but this is okay. In reality, I think it's going to collide anyway, so it's good. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget, if you liked it, subscribe and leave a like, a comment with your opinion. Thank you and see you.